We are covering binders and temporary insurance for the National Property and Casualty exam. A binder is a crucial concept, representing a temporary insurance contract that provides proof of coverage until the formal policy is issued. For the exam, you need to know exactly what a binder does, who can issue one, and what it contains. Think of it as a bridge. It covers the gap between the moment you need insurance, like when buying a car or a house, and the time it takes for the insurer to complete underwriting and issue the official policy documents. Binders can be written or oral, but any oral binder must be followed up with a written one promptly. On the exam, you'll see questions about what a binder includes. It must contain key information: the name of the insurer, the type of policy, the perils covered, the coverage limits, the effective date, and the name of the insured. A common trap is confusing a binder with a certificate of insurance. A binder is temporary proof of future coverage, while a certificate of insurance summarizes an existing active policy. Another exam question might test the binder's duration. Typically, a binder is valid for a short period, like 30 to 90 days, and it automatically terminates once the actual policy is issued. Agent authority is another heavily tested area related to binders. An agent can only issue a binder if they have been given binding authority by the insurance company they represent. This means the insurer has granted the agent the power to commit the company to a risk. Exam questions often create scenarios where an agent acts outside their authority. For example, an agent might issue a binder for a risk the insurer explicitly told them not to cover. In this situation, the agent may be personally liable for a loss. Insurance brokers, who represent the client, generally do not have binding authority unless an insurer has specifically granted it to them. Let's consider an exam-style example. A client is closing on a home tomorrow and needs immediate proof of homeowner's insurance for their mortgage lender. Their agent, who has binding authority from ABC Insurance, issues a written binder. The binder lists the property address, a coverage limit of $300,000 for the dwelling, an effective date of tomorrow, and names ABC Insurance as the insurer. This binder serves as legally enforceable proof of coverage, satisfying the lender's requirement. If a fire occurred the day after closing, but before the final policy was delivered, the loss would be covered based on the terms of the binder. A simple way to remember the function of a binder is the phrase, "A binder binds the coverage before the policy is printed." This highlights its role in securing immediate protection. The most common trap is forgetting that a binder is a legal contract. It must accurately reflect the terms of the policy that will be issued, and any discrepancies can lead to significant legal issues and potential errors and omissions claims against the agent. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.